It's a common statement in our society from the brother when it comes to inheritance after the death of the deceased one that he was the one who was looking after his father, and now he is the one who has to look after all the financial matters, and the house in which he is residing is owned by his kids now. So a sister should give up of all her rights as she is married now, well settled in her husband's house, and she was given all the things as her part before at time of her marriage in the form of dowry. And if she demands her rights, she will be considered as a cruel one. Beware, brothers. Islamic law on inheritance is fixed by Allah, and individuals cannot alter the shares of legal heirs through a will. Any attempt to alter these shares is considered as disobedience against Allah. Beneficiaries who knowingly benefit from an unjust distribution are also held accountable. The share for daughter fixed by Allah, which is half of the brother's share, is already due to the reason the brother was mentioning above, that he is responsible for fulfilling the financial situations of the family, while daughter is not held responsible for it, so woman's share is considered as a gift from Allah for them who were deprived of this right before Islam. The Muslims of today are emulating the behavior of disbelievers and practicing only on those parts of din that appeal to them while discarding the rest. Leaving aside the sinners, even those who appear to be pious restrict Islam to only a few deeds like salah, zakah, fasting, etc. They fail to comply with the detailed injunctions of Islam pertaining to business transactions, employment in prohibited institutions, depriving women and orphans from their inheritance. Adopting disbelievers' approaches to marriages, funerals, births, etc. There are also those who perform Hajj and pay zakah, yet when the penal code of Islam is discussed, they oppose its enforcement. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned against taking anyone's land or property unjustly. Whoever unjustly takes even a span of land, Allah will make him wear a collar of 7 earths on the day of judgment. Scholars apply this directly to brothers, uncles, or husbands who prevent women from receiving their rightful share of inheritance. The Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasized that those who deprive their rightful heirs of their inheritance will be deprived of their share in paradise. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Fear Allah regarding women. Verily you have married them with the trust of Allah and made their bodies lawful with the word of Allah." This includes respecting their financial rights, including inheritance. Respect Allah's law and fulfill the rights of your sisters.